Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add WhatsApp button on WIX website. First of all, you just need to open your WIX editor, as you can see on your screen. And then all you need to do is click on the plus icon right here, which is the add element option here. So click on this add elements and it will show you these options. Now basically tap on this button and we have here some buttons. We have theme buttons, we have text and icon buttons, image buttons, documents buttons, iTunes buttons. We have payment buttons, pay and PayPal buttons. So basically we just need to click on this text and icon buttons and we're gonna choose this message icon button here. So click on this one. And as you can see, this icon is show up on your website. So to add your WhatsApp link, you just need to click on this link icon and it will show you this option. What do you want to link to? So basically, if you want to add your WhatsApp, so you're gonna choose this phone number right here at the bottom and you just need to enter your WhatsApp number. So that's it. That's how you basically add WhatsApp button on your WIX website. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.